Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, we'll show you how to create 3D direction effects in pictures using PowerPoint. Let's get started. Open your PowerPoint presentation and start by inserting a set of images onto the slide. Select the first image on the left and resize it into a square shape. Then, adjust the other images to the same size. Move the second image to the right and repeat the process for the third image, positioning it further to the right. Next, arrange the images in 3 rows. Take the first set of 3 images and place them in the bottom row. Then, arrange the second set in the middle row and the last set of images at the top. Once everything is arranged, select all the images, group them into a single layout, and adjust the size as needed. Now, insert a background image. Go to the Picture Format tab, click on the color option, and select Saturation 0% to make the background black and white. Next, go to Shape Format and click Send to Back to move the shape behind the other elements. Then, right-click the image and select Format Picture. This will open a panel on the right side. Use the options there to center the image perfectly on the slide. Now, duplicate the slide and go to 3D Rotation under the Format Picture tab. Click on the preset option and choose Perspective, Left. Adjust the X rotation to 30 degrees and the Z rotation to 10 degrees. Resize the images and move them slightly to the left. Then, zoom out to increase the background image size and shift it to the left as well. Next, duplicate the slide again. Move the image group further to the left. This time, go to 3D Rotation and select Perspective, Relax moderately. Adjust the background image by moving it to the right. Duplicate the slide once more. Go to 3D Format, select Perspective, Right, and set the X rotation to 320 degrees and the Z rotation to 10 degrees. Finally, duplicate the slide one last time. This time, select Perspective, Turned Left, Tilted Up. Move the images to the right side and adjust the background image to shift it to the right as well. Once all the slides are ready, select them all and go to the Transitions tab. Apply the Morph transition to create a smooth and stunning 3D picture direction effect in PowerPoint. And that's it. You've successfully created an amazing animation.